Guess who's here? Guess who's here? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I was editing this video, then I realized that there's no intro video, so I'm here to do an intro video for this particular video. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'm sorry for the delay in posting videos. I was supposed to post one last week, but I did not, and this is the video. So yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video you're going to see I traveled to another state to attend a graduation ceremony for my friend. So so like I said, I traveled to another state to attend the graduation ceremony of my friend. Yes, so I'm going to insert the clip after this video, and next video you'll be seeing is a kind of snippet of a day in my life. So yes, please kindly enjoy this video, journey with me, travel to another state with me. Find out in the next video the name of the state. So yes, sorry that I look this way. I'm in the office, I have work to do. It's like closing hours, so you can imagine how you look by the time you have worked throughout the day. So yes, I've been on and off here because I've had a lot of things to do, but I'll be stable, so help me God. So yes, just enjoy this video. So hi guys, this is the morning. Guys, we had to set out really early, like so early. I had no idea that the journey was going to be that long. Somehow I just felt like it was not going to be that long, but it was long. Guys, we were going to Ogun State from Lagos State through the roads, so it was actually a very long journey. Or could it be that I overslept? I just slept, let me be honest. I just slept from the beginning of the journey and woke up and just did small video and went back to sleeping. So yes, enjoy. This is the school premises, guys. This school is fine. This school is fine, girl. You can't tell me nothing. This school is fine. Come on. School is a fine place. Can't even lie. It's a fine place. So just enjoy this part of the vlog. I'm not sure I said anything, but yeah, it is what it is.
For television and radio broadcasters, for newspaper publishers and editors, for journalists and writers, for public relation and communication professionals, that through their work, justice and truth may be proclaimed from the housetops. Let us pray to the Lord.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me Abada. Big man, we do get Abada. What's it going? Jiwa come, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? Jiwa come, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, or they try to do, I'm way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want your life, I want buy. This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me Abada. Big man, we do get Abada. What's it gonna? Jiwa come, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna? Jiwa come, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing.
So guys, I don't think my camera did good justice to this part of this video, so I'll just explain. So when they call one of these ex-students, they will climb the stage and then they'll pass through that door, signifying that they are done with secondary school. I found that very cute. Like, it was literally so cute. Hi, my people. I don't like the angle, but yeah. Okay. Mm. Mm. Kind of picky, but it's fine. Anyway, guys, guess who is here? Guess who is here? Forget how I look. This is Saturday, please. I've just been doing house girl job, cleaning my house on a steady. So sorry that I look like this. I had to get this scarf. See this, so I had to get this scarf to like cover myself properly because I had a delivery, and as you can see, my baby is here. Yo. Dramatic much. My baby is here. I want to apologize for the quality of this video. I don't like it, but pardon me. But my baby is here. My sewing machine is here. So you know what that means. Wells Vogue is about to start in Lagos. For those of you that don't know, I'm a fashion designer and I got my machine today. So when I started hearing the rate of well and rate of everything, I just say, ja. Before this Nigeria moved from bad to worse, let me just buy my machine in peace, okay? So yes, officially I'm going to start sewing. I have a customer already, and I'll keep you guys posted. Tell me whether you want me to show you guys how to cut some certain basic style on this channel, and I'll be open to do that with you guys. So yes, bye. I'll see you guys later. I'm excited. I'm extremely excited. I've always wanted to own my personal sewing machine, and I'm so glad that I could remove money to buy this thing. In this Tinubu era, God saw me through to be able to remove money to buy it. I'm proud of myself. Oh. I feel like I just bought a car. Do you understand? Do you understand? In this economy, emphasis on in this economy, what my eyes is seeing on the road. God helps me to get the money and get this. I'm so happy and I'm so excited, and I can't wait to officially start sewing for people. I'm not yet gone out completely, just on the low, like with people that trust me enough with their materials that have been on the low. I know how to sew. I'm going to put some clips of some pictures I've sewn in the past, but I didn't want to come out publicly in this Lagos because I don't want to be like all these tailors that will not deliver on time. But I've seen that I can juggle it. I can juggle both my work, my 9 to 5, and still juggle my business during the weekend. Instead of just staying in the house and doing nothing really. So my baby is here to keep me company during the weekend. Okay, so guys, bring your materials, bring your card, bring your money. Your girl is here to serve, okay? This is my baby. Don't mind the delivery guy that came and dirtied my floor. But anyway, this is my word. This is my baby. Yes. Just gonna. Should I unbox it with you guys? You can do a quick one, right? You can actually do a quick one. But I don't want any of the nuts to go missing. You understand? This guy really just came and dirtied my floor. Can't lie. Yeah, this is my electric motor. My motor. Oh, Juma was so nice. I'm going to put her handle here because she tried. I mean, for online vendors, she tried. So basically, yes, guys. I wish I can explain why, but I believe that in this vlog I'm going to put why I have not been around on YouTube for a while, and that's because I've started my fashion brand. So basically, if I'm not in the office, I'm making clothes or sewing and the rest of that. So that's why I've not been consistent here, but I'm going to try my best to create a balance. And yes, basically life has been lifey. I've been working on a claim and other drafts because court was to resume and the rest of that. I'm so tired. I'm to close in a few minutes from now, but I'm not certain I'll leave by that time because I've not even eaten since today, and I would like to eat first before I start my journey back home. Okay, yeah, let me show you guys what I'm about to eat. A plate of chicken, fried rice. I don't know if you guys can see that, and chicken and salad. So this is what I'm going to eat before going out. So yeah, just enjoy this vlog, and I love you guys. Thank you for sticking around. I love food. Food makes me happy. So thank you for watching this vlog. Thank you for sticking around with me, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I don't know why this hair wants to embarrass me. But you find babe is a fine babe all the time, okay? So thank you guys, and I really appreciate. Kilode. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I really appreciate it. I don't know why this hair is all over the place, but a fine babe is always a fine babe, and that's on period. So yes, thank you for subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.